Tonight, an Ada County judge is thinking over his decision on what evidence to include in the trial for the man who is accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students. That suspect, Bryan Kohberger, was back in court today for a second time this week. The students were found stabbed to death in a home just off campus in November of 2022. Their families have now been waiting for more than 2 years for a trial to begin. After 3 days of arguments, the judge in the Kohberger case must now decide whether to allow key DNA evidence to be presented at his murder trial. The defense had argued police should have secured a search warrant before detectives analyzed DNA collected from the crime scene and before they gathered and tested items out of Kohberger's trash at his Pennsylvania home. The state does not believe collection of evidence at the crime scene or in the weeks that followed violated any of Kohberger's rights.
Particularity requirements objective is that necessary searches should be as limited as possible. A search warrant must be particular enough so that as to what is taken, nothing is left to the discretion of the officer executing the warrant.
All of these warrants were not general warrants. They were all sufficiently particular. They were specific to the type, each one of them listed that they were specific to the type of crime, the location, and all but one of them had temporal limitations.
The judge says that he will be taking all of those arguments from the week into consideration before issuing his final ruling.